welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at how to install Java on your Ubuntu environment. So over here I am running Ubuntu 20.04. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is check if Java is installed on your Linux distribution. So just type Java in your terminal, and if it is not installed, then you will get something like this. But if it is already installed, then it will give you a help output of Java. So in order to install Java on Linux, what you need to do is you need to run the following command: sudo apt install default -jre, and just hit type y and hit enter. And now it will go ahead and download the default packages that are required for Java installation. And after that's done, what you need to do is you need to type any of the following command depending on the version of Java that is required by you on your system. So I am going to install JDK 12 and JDK 11 and JDK 8. So the process is pretty much similar for other versions as well. So I will be back once the installation process is complete for the JRE default. So now it is done installing default JRE. So the next step, what we need to do is we need to install the other packages that are required for us. So we are going to install OpenJDK 11. Just paste that command in over here and hit enter, and now it is going to check if it is installed or not. By default, when you run the default JRE install default JRE command, it will automatically install OpenJDK 11. And let's see if it installed OpenJDK 8 or not. So just to install OpenJDK 8, you just need to type apt install OpenJDK 8 JRE headless, and it will go ahead and download the required files for that and set it up on your system. So it is going to take some time depending on your internet speed. I will be back once this is done. The installation process has been completed, so just see which version is running on the default environment. Just type java -test version, and it will list out all the versions that are installed on your system. So currently the default runtime environment that Java is using is Java 11. So you can change it to JDK 8 or JDK 11 depending on the application that you are using. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below, and do subscribe to our channel, and do hit the like button. That really helps our video. So thanks for watching.